Where's my money? Where did all my money go? It's not in the backsplash. Let's talk about the most expensive part of a kitchen remodel. Ever wonder where all the money goes in a kitchen remodel? Spoiler alert, it's not the backsplash. Today we're breaking down the most expensive part of a kitchen remodel and why it's often worth every penny. Hey there, I'm Christina with JSB Home Solutions. If you've been researching kitchen remodels and trying to figure out what drives the cost, you're not alone. One of the most common questions we get from Columbus homeowners is, what's the most expensive part of a kitchen remodel? And while every project is different, there's a clear answer. And understanding it can help you plan your budget smarter and avoid surprises down the road. Let's break it down, talk through why it costs what it does, and show you how to make sure you're getting value, not just a price tag. In nearly every kitchen remodel, cabinetry is the most expensive part of the project. It typically accounts for 30 to 40% of the total remodel cost, which means it can easily be a 5-figure line item depending on the size of your space. Now, not all cabinets are created equal, and not all price tags tell the full story. Cabinets generally fall into a few broad categories. On the low end, you've got a big box stock cabinets, the kind you can buy pre-assembled and off the shelf. They're the cheapest option, but often made with particle board, basic hardware, and limited sizes. Then, you've got manufactured or semi-custom cabinetry, which includes factory-built cabinets that come in a wide range of finishes and configurations. These are more durable than stock, but still have limits in sizing and material quality. And on the high end, there's a fully custom cabinetry, which is built to order, sized exactly to your kitchen, and crafted with higher-end materials like solid wood, plywood boxes, and premium hardware. The quality differences between these categories are huge, both in how the cabinets look and how long they last. Lower-end cabinets might look good on day one, but they're more prone to sagging, warping, or peeling over time, especially in a high-use area like the kitchen. So, while it can be tempting to go with the cheapest option, this is one of those areas where cutting corners often leads to regrets down the road. At JSB, we use custom Amish-built cabinetry, handcrafted locally and built to fit your space perfectly. It's what we've chosen after nearly 50 years in this business because it consistently holds up, functions well, and gives our clients the flexibility they want. But no matter who you work with, the key is to understanding what you're getting for your money. Your cabinets aren't just for looks, they're the backbone of your kitchen layout and storage. So whether you go custom, semi-custom, or something in between, we always recommend focusing on quality materials, good craftsmanship, and long-term durability. So what does this actually look like in terms of cost? If you're doing a standard-sized kitchen with a remove and replace layout, not tearing down walls, but fully updating the space, you're typically looking at between $25,000 to $35,000 total, depending on your selections. Out of that, cabinetry alone can run between $8,000 and $12,000, sometimes more for larger kitchens or expanded layouts. Now keep in mind, that total doesn't always include appliances. In many cases, appliances are purchased directly by the homeowner and are outside of your remodeling contract. So even if your contract total is $30,000, new appliances could still add a few thousand more to your actual project cost. It's important to factor that in when setting your overall budget. While cabinetry usually claims the top spot, there are a few other areas that can add up quickly depending on what you choose. Countertops, especially quartz, granite, or other premium surfaces. Flooring, like tile, hardwood, or luxury vinyl plank. And of course, the labor cost, especially if your project involves layout changes or behind-the-walls updates to plumbing or electrical. Again, many of these won't be the biggest chunk of your budget, but they're worth watching closely when making selections. If you're starting to think about a kitchen remodel, check out our free kitchen pricing tool on our website. It'll give you a ballpark estimate for your kitchen remodel based on selections you make for your kitchen. Or if you're ready to start designing your dream kitchen, we'd love to sit down with you for a no-pressure consultation and explore what's possible. You can schedule at our website linked in the description. Knowing where the big dollars go helps you stay in control and design a kitchen that's worth every penny. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big, remodel smart.